All right, this is cool. AP's in the house. How's everybody doing? All right? Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us for today. If you're sitting on your seats, hi, Shreya, how are you? Good to see you. Look behind you. आपके seats के पीछे आपका emotion लिखा हुआ है. सर, आप जो बैठे हैं यहाँ पर, कौन सी सीट के यहाँ पर बैठे मुझे बताइए. एंग्जाइटी है आपको? ठीक है आप? बहुत बढ़िया. आपके बगल में जो बैठे हैं एनवी अनन्या पांडे. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Okay, hang on. Magically, a mic will come to you. Yes, the magic has worked. Okay, I'm just going to say, first of all, congratulations. As someone who's worked in the voice business for many, many years now, I know this is a great feeling. So, first question, Disney and Pixar. What does it mean for you to actually team up with them?
Hello everyone. Don't go by my voice today. I sound a bit like a man, but I swear Riley sounds like a little girl. पर मेरे लिए I swear जब कहते हैं कि बचपन का सपना पूरा हुआ, it was exactly that for me because Disney and Pixar is all that I've grown up watching. And you know these movies, people say कि बच्चों की picture है, but then when you watch it as an adult for the second time, you actually understand so much more. And especially Inside Out 2, I think my favorite lesson from this film, actually from part 1, was that हम सोचते हैं कि हमें हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना है, खुश रहना है, जॉय 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 सब कहते हैं कि दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इमोशन, बट जॉय डजंट कम आउट until all the other emotions are there with it as well. And I think that's what makes us human. And as Bikram sir said, everyone, you know, maa baap, bacche, everyone goes through this. It's the most relatable film in the world, and it was just such a pleasure and a joy to be a part of this film.
I love it. So many emotions coming out today. Okay, so my next question you already kind of covered, but I'm still going to ask it to you. Yeah, what is the most appealing thing about Inside Out and Inside Out 2 for you?
I think just the humaneness of it, the fact that at every moment you're constantly feeling some emotion, you know, you're always feeling something. That's what grounds you, that's what brings you back here. And for me the challenge as well, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं किया, you know, I've only voiced myself in films and I've been with a character for so many months, and then to come here and play something I don't know the backstory of, I don't know ki kaisa hoga, what's going to happen. That was a big challenge for me and a real honor, so I'm very grateful.
I believe that you and the cool folk at Disney and Pixar have teamed up to give us something extremely unique and special today. क्या बनाया है आपने AP हमें बताइए.
काफी खिचड़ी बनाई है, which I hope you all enjoy. I'm sitting at embarrassment right now, which is a perfect seat for me, but please feel joy for me.
All right, so we're going to take a seat. Eyes on the screen, please. A very special presentation from Ananya Pandey, Disney and Pixar. Deserves a round of applause, I think so, guys. Thank you. That was amazing. How fun was that for you?
Way more than I thought. Way more than I thought.
You know, teenage Ananya is like a roller coaster of emotions. So I'd love to ask you कि
teenage अभी
जो हुआ था पिछले साल तो उस दौर में से कौन से ऐसे इमोशंस थे जो चैनल करने पड़े थे राइली को इस दौर के लिए?
I mean, my only thing was when they asked me to play Riley, I was like, my voice just cracked. Like last year, I don't sound like a kid anymore. So वो थोड़ा tough था to get the little kid voice out. But the main emotion that I felt, I think, to play Riley was joy. I needed to keep the inner child alive, so joy.
Do you know what I loved about Inside Out when it first released is that उस दौर में in 2015, you spoke about mental health like nobody else did to us. So I want to give Inside Out a round of applause because it was so amazing. I want to ask you, जब emotional खिचड़ी होती है तो क्या होता है? Okay, do you channel a time of your life when there was an emotional खिचड़ी?
ये सभी होता है और मेरे साथ हर रोज ही होता है. इमोशनल खिचड़ी चल रही है मेरे दिमाग में. पर एज आई सेड एट द स्टार्ट कि इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू फील व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग. आई डोंट थिंक जैसे आपने ट्रेलर में देखा दे ट्राई टू सप्रेस सर्टेन फीलिंग्स एंड दैट्स नेवर राइट. सो आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड सप्रेस एनीथिंग. अगर आपको सैडनेस फील हो रहा है तो सैड फील करो. अगर आप एम्बैरेस्ड हो तो आप एम्बैरेस्ड हो एंड जस्ट फील व्हाटएवर यू आर फीलिंग एंड इवेंचुअली दैट वेव विल राइड.
Fantastic. Of course, there are lots of emotions and there are new emotions in Inside Out too. I saw anxiety bringing a bunch of bags and dropping them, and then inside me I was just
She's never gonna leave it.
Yeah, like also very familiar. Thanks so much, Bikram. And then there was, of course, embarrassment, who's my cutest. So I'm going to ask you most relatable emotions for you from Inside Out 2.
Definitely disgust and embarrassment, for sure. I think I'm like dressed like embarrassment today a little bit. Coincidence.
Not at all, not at all. But I must ask you, if your friends were emotions, who would which emotion be?
Ooh, Suhana would definitely be joy for sure. Shania would be anger because she used to say, "Don't angry me" when we were little. And I would say maybe Ori is like disgust. I would say Ori is always like, you know how it is.
Renito.
Yeah, yeah,
Renito.
exactly.
Absolutely. So let's play a fun game because
Okay.
that's why we're here. There's going to be an amazing wheel of emotions coming up on the stage. Could you please bring it up and place it right here in between the two of us? And Anya, I'd like to request you to get on the other side. So it's pretty self-explanatory. There are all of these emotions on this board. You're going to spin the wheel as many times as you like. At some point, we will stop, and we might actually get your friends to come up on stage and do some of this. Look closely. All right.
Okay.
So let's do it once, and then I'll ask you a question. All right,
That
there
was
she's
the
doing
worst
it.
spin ever.
The next one is going to be a little more energetic, hopefully.
Stop.
Stop.
not
Stop.
stopping.
Stop. Okay, anxiety, anger, sadness, joy, fear, envy, ennui. Okay. Is she going to actually stop it with her hand? Envy. All right. Okay.
बहुत
So
होता है
talk to
envy.
us about envy. Envy, Irsha, is that right? Okay.
The last time was last night जब मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पर हूँ और मेरे सारे दोस्त बटर चिकन खा रहे थे मुझे बहुत एनवी हुआ था तो
I can
envy.
imagine. That's a horrible feeling.
Yeah.
Did they actually video call you? How do you know?
They were with me. I had to
Oh!
smell the butter chicken.
Oh, no, that's
Imagine.
horrible.
Yes, और फिर उसके बाद मूंग दाल का हलवा भी आया and I was just like
और मैं खा रही
बस
हूँ
बहन।
रागी की भाकरी.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
so envy for sure.
All right, go for it.
I'm not strong.
Come on, let's do it. Oh, that was a better spin.
Should
Okay,
we sing
the
a
thing is
song?
that when you spin it hard, it takes longer for it
Let's
to
just
stop.
stop. Yeah, we should sing a song to them.
Yeah, I was just thinking.
So, what's up, guys?
How's it going? We're going
How's
to
it
wait for this to get
going?
done. And oh, what fun!
Oh, like right now. Oh, जब Paps मेरे photo ले रहे थे बाहर, I tripped a little bit and I had to hold on to Bikram, so that was a
Okay,
bit embarrassing.
That was a bit embarrassing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And one more.
Last one. And then some of my friends are gonna do it.
Come on. Are you ready?
I think these two were the main ones. Why didn't I say disgust? Okay. Did I say disgust already?
No.
Disgust.
Disgust.
तो मेरा एक छोटा बच्चा आया है, my doggy Riot, और मुझे हर रोज उसकी सुसु पॉटी साफ करनी है. तो little disgust is there, but lots of प्यार is also
I
there.
love it. She was so good with this. Give her a round of applause, guys. That was awesome.
तो मुझे अकेले नहीं खेलना. I want to nominate
Hanji.
a contestant.
Go for it.
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, come on.
Then you choose one after this.
Okay, done.
Oh, lots of energy.
Come, sweetheart.
You're dressed like anxiety, but let's see what you get.
Which is
Nayan.
रुकने में टाइम लगा रहा है
It has to come. Oh, wow.
Oh, how did that happen?
How did that
Full
happen?
cheating. Okay, anxiety. Talk to us about, this really, really talked about emotion.
So a lot of people actually know because I put it out a few years ago, जब COVID चल रहा था, that I actually suffer from anxiety, and I have this issue that because COVID triggered that emotion in me, I have a fear of losing a loved one. Touchwood, I haven't, but that fear is very strong, and it gives you a lot of anxiety. I've been through multiple anxiety attacks during COVID because of whatever I was reading. So that's one. And I won't lie, but parso I had an anxiety attack. I'm not going to name that person, a PR. But I had a fight with that person, and not you.
Priyanka from
I had
Hype.
I had a fight with that person, and I felt terribly small. And I was almost I wrote something really like out of anxiety, out of upsetness, sadness, anger. It was a mix of all emotions, and I almost was gonna put it up. But I don't know what happened. My mother just entered my office that day out of the blue and said, Kya hua? Are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to write this and this is done. I'm going to leave journalism, XYZ, whatever. And it was to that point. And then I didn't post it.
Thank you.
But I still have it saved.
That's great.
When was the last time you were anxious?
Oh.
Let's talk about that.
I'm just an anxious ball all the time. I swear. It only looks like I'm cool and confident. I'm absolutely not. I'm a mess.
And the most confident people are actually the most anxious.
That's
And
true.
they don't show it.
That's true, but I do want to take a minute
I
and
show
say
everything.
thank you so much for sharing. That was very kind of you. And thank you for being honest with us on the stage. It means a lot to us.
You choose.
Samina, you here?
I knew it.
Would you do this for us, please?
Come on.
Kindly step up on the stage. Thank you. What is the emotion you want to avoid? You tell us, okay? She's like, मैं हर emotion को avoid ही करती हूँ. Thank you so much.
Give it a good
आइए.
spin. See, star. और तोड़ मत देना.
बहुत बढ़िया. This is fun.
Time
This
लगने
is
वाला
fun.
है. किसी को अंताक्षरी खेलनी है तब तक.
This is suddenly. Oh wow.
Which one have we not done yet? It's really gone, huh?
I know. I don't know.
Losing
Something's.
it.
It's going faster and
I don't know
faster.
what to
Are we
stop.
breathing too hard next to it?
Joka, waka.
Okay. Okay. What?
Choose envy or
Ennui.
I don't know how to say that.
Ennui या envy? Envy. बताइए समीना जी आपको envy या ईर्ष्या कब महसूस होता है?
When I'm actually prepared for some interview and then later on when I see some other journalist doing much better job in terms of asking the questions and I feel like शायद से अगर मैंने ये पूछ लिया होता मुझे अच्छा जवाब मिल गया होता from the actor. So I feel like तभी मुझे थोड़ा envious feel होता है and then I keep on hiding my questions कि नहीं मुझे नहीं बताना है but that question is asked already and then I feel like oh shit यार I missed on this one. That is the time I feel like थोड़ा envious.
होता है
होता है ना?
होता है.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, my friends from the media who did this for us. It's very brave of you to come and be a part of our event today.
I felt good asking them questions for a change.
Yeah, that was joy. That was absolute joy.
Joy.
All right, can we please ask our friends to take the wheel back? Thank you so much. और मैं दरख्वास्त करूंगी कि मुझे जिनसे ईर्ष्या होती है विक्रम जी आप आ जाइए स्टेज पे और हमारे साथ कुछ सवाल जवाब होंगे यहाँ पे ऑफ कोर्स फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द मीडिया आप तक माइक आएगा ऑफ कोर्स यू नो हाउ इट वर्क्स यू विल हैव टू डायरेक्ट योर क्वेश्चन टू वन ऑफ आवर आर्टिस्ट्स ऑन स्टेज एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम हाय
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
My name is Disha. I'm from News 18. My first question is to you, Vikram, that Disney and Pixar have always experimented with their subjects. And over the years, the concept of animated movies has gone beyond just children and their parents and touched upon a lot of different subjects that people like me, who's in my early 30s, can relate to. So do you think that the audience has grown in India especially when it comes to animated movies?
Of course, I think there's no doubt about it. And there is a lot of role that cinema has done, the role that we are playing there. We feel that these subjects and these films are so entertaining that they can definitely be enjoyed by everybody, not only children, their parents, adults. And hence we try to do, bring out these films with, initiatives like the one that we are doing with Ananya Pandey, to get it to voice Riley so that we can bring it to so many more people in the language of their choice. And we've been doing it in the past. For Incredibles 2, we got Kajol as part of that. For Frozen, there was Priyanka Chopra. So the idea is that हमें लगता है ये movies इतनी अच्छी हैं कि हम enjoy कर रहे हैं. तो हमारे जैसे और भी लोग होंगे जो enjoy कर सकते हैं. और वो बात हो भी रही है सही. So there are a lot of people enjoying. I hope you watch it next week and everybody enjoys.
Thank
so you're
you.
right about it.
Thank you so much, Vikram. Thank you so much for your question.
I have one for Ananya as well.
Yes.
In the past 2-3 weeks, what is that one emotion from the movie that you've been relating to a lot more?
Joy. Pure joy. Yes.
It's amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question. We'll pass on the mic to somebody else. There you are. Samina, question from you.
My question is to you. Disney has come with a lot of, shows, So what is the brand's USP while producing some shows like this, be it having voice of Ananya or Priyanka Chopra for that matter on board?
Sorry, can you say that again?
What is the USP for the team, for the OTT team, while, presenting such actors, for shows like this, which are animated versions?
So the idea is, I'll take off from that question that I answered, is to see to it that these are enjoyable films. We feel they're highly entertaining. There are so many people who can enjoy it, irrespective of their age. And they work at so many levels. They work at a level, all these animation films from Pixar, whether it's Ratatouille or WALL-E or Inside Out 2, they work at various levels. They work at a kid's level, the kids can be entertained. It works at an adult level, that the adult can be entertained. So the idea is that get as many people as they can to enjoy the film. And that's the uniqueness that we're trying to get with, let's say, Ananya to come on board to widen the audience. कि आइए और enjoy कीजिए. Bas, simple.
And just to add to this, this is a theatrical release. What is your success mantra for such movies? And why Ananya Pandey for the face?
सक्सेस मंत्रा तो अब मैं अगर यहाँ पे व्हील पे होता और मुझसे कोई पूछ रहा होता कि आप कौन सा इसमें से इमोशन है, तो मेरा तो फिल्म बिजनेस वालों का तो एंजाइटी होता है हर फ्राइडे, तो वहाँ पे रुकता. तो सक्सेस तो मैडम फ्राइडे को पता चलेगा. बट वी हैव टू एंजॉय दैट जर्नी. एंड व्हाई अनन्या पांडे? व्हाई नॉट? Just look at her. She's the perfect Riley. She has the dynamism, the energy that we wanted for Riley, and she's the youth icon. We want to connect with this film with all the young people out there, or anybody who's ever been young or is going to be young. So she's the perfect embodiment of that.
Ananya, my question is to you. We
Yes.
get to see a lot of emotions of yours, and you were the first one of those actresses who had come out and spoken about mental awareness. You have your own product, where you talk about So Positive, and you have tried, you have weighed through your ways of, social media trolling and all. What is that one emotion as an actress that you face the most when you're presenting yourself?
Thank you for bringing up So Positive. Actually, another important factor when I was, asked to play Riley, I realized that it tied into a lot with what I've been speaking about for so many years when it comes to positivity. And as I said, कि हम सिर्फ ऐसे toxic positive नहीं हो सकते. We have to feel all the emotions. There has to be sadness to balance that out. But definitely, as a young actor who started out when she was 18, there's always been fear, and there always will be fear. So I think putting yourself out there can be scary, and there's fear in that. But someone once told me that, by not being yourself, you might get 100 people to like you. But by being yourself, even if 5 people like you in the long run, that's way more fulfilling. So that's what I try to go by. So that will give me joy. So fear and joy.
Thank you. Fear and joy. All right. Our next
Hi.
question comes from...
Hi, this is
Hi.
Meghna from Bollywood Helpline. मेरा सवाल आपसे अनन्या कि
Bollywood helpline? Oh, wow, there's like a helpline now.
Can
for
we
us.
call?
Yeah, what's the number? Have complaints.
Okay.
Yes.
मेरा सवाल आपसे कि समटाइम्स हैपन ना कि इतने सारे आपके अभी इमोशन हमने देखे हैं, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि सारे इमोशन एक साथ बाहर आ जाते हैं, आप उसे कैसे टैकल करते हैं?
लोगों को टैकल करना पड़ता है, मुझे टैकल नहीं करना पड़ता. मेरे तो आते ही हैं इमोशंस बाहर. Then I leave it to the world to handle me.
Thank you so much, and please give us your number. Thank you. We'll pass on the mic.
Hi Ananya, this is Ravi from ABP News. Hi. अनन्या, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम खुद किसी फिल्म में काम करते हैं और खुद उसकी डबिंग करते हैं, तो हमें पता होता है कि वो राइट इमोशन क्या है, हमने क्या डायलॉग बोला है और कैसे लिप सिंक करना है. लेकिन जब हम एक ऐसे किरदार के लिए डब करते हैं जो कि एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है, बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कितना डिफ़िकल्ट था आपके लिए या आसान था, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए नया था? तो पहले मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा.
आई थिंक जब मैं कैरेक्टर के लिए करती हूँ, जो मैंने खुद प्ले किया है, बहुत ओवर थिंकिंग होती है उस टाइम, कि हमें बैक स्टोरी के बारे में सोचना है. हमने उस दिन जब हम सेट पे थे, हमने